Fall time has arrived and it's time to get clean and up. So I have this electric pressure washer I wanted to show you. Comes in a really nice case. Open it up. Comes with everything that you need. Has a really long hose for you. A nice adjustable nozzle that has a bunch of different angles. So whatever pressure that you're looking for, this one will meet your needs. On this side, it has the actual pressure gun. We can take this nozzle, just push it right in, rotate it, just like that. We're going to take our connector, snap it right in. It does come with a soap dispenser too that you can attach to the pressure washer. So what I like about this is it comes with two 48-volt lithium-ion batteries, which is really nice and convenient. That way, if you run out of juice with one, you have a backup ready to go. To charge them up, it comes with this charging cable here, and you actually just plug it in, right like that. Plug it into your electrical outlet, charge it up, and you'll be ready to go. So let's put our hose in the water here. Just going to filter that right in just like that. Slide our battery right in. We're locked and loaded, ready to go. So all you need to do now is just push the button, feed the water through, and get cleaning. So as you can see, this little electric pressure washer packs quite the punch. It does have a lot of power. It does a great job at cleaning up the debris off of your stairs. This will also be great to clean the siding on your house. This would be a great little handheld sprayer for your car, especially the underbody and in the wheel wells. Just a really nice, easy, convenient way to get inside there with a little bit of extra pressure. If you have an RV, you could actually just take this with you. It's super portable, and you could just spray off any debris after a camping trip and just have a nice clean camper ready to go for next time. So if you're looking for a portable, easy to use electric pressure washer, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.